The offset landmine deadlift is an exercise that you should be programming, and I'll tell you why. I'm Brian Grant, I'm a physical therapist and professor of strength and conditioning, and today we're going to use the core curriculum to score the offset landmine deadlift. Let's dive in. To score how transferable a core exercise is, we use the core curriculum. This model scores posture of the spine, the level of resistance we're using, and finally, how dynamic an exercise is by means of its stability and its speed. Each column is scored from 1 to 3, giving us a total core score. The offset landmine deadlift uses a standing position, is loaded up with a decently heavy plate, and there is no external jostle, and it's done slowly. Therefore, quick math, we get a core score of a 7 out of 9. So, how do we coach it? After placing a modest sized plate on one sleeve, soften your knees and perform a Romanian deadlift. Imagine your belly button is a flashlight and try drawing a perfect line straight up and straight down with your light. Make sure your shins remain vertical and your spine remains straight. And what gives this exercise its core bias is that the whole point is disallowing the heavier side to rotate or to side bend your spine. This is how we know the offset landmine deadlift falls into both the anti-rotation and anti-side bend categories. Now, we all know what the deadlift is, but by incorporating the anti-side bend and rotation bias, we are not challenging your hinging strength or your posterior chain strength like you traditionally would. Instead, we're challenging the core's ability to resist unwanted motion and using the hinge pattern as our canvas, our vehicle to that outcome. For more exercises like these, follow along. Thanks.